Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore an intriguing concept that you might have heard about, the one-year sitting degree. And this is another request by one of the subscribers. They're asking about what one-year sitting degree is. And this is a topic that often sparks curiosity and confusion among students and professionals alike. So let's dive in and uncover what the one-year sitting degree is all about. Firstly, let's clarify that the term one year sitting degree is not an official academic designation. It's not a degree that you can obtain from an accredited university or institution. Instead, it's a colloquial term that refers to various educational programs or initiatives that claim to offer a fast track route to obtaining a degree in just 1 year. And these programs typically they promise to award a bachelor's or even a master's degree within a significantly shorter time frame compared to you know traditional university programs. They may market themselves as a convenient and quick alternative for individuals who cannot commit to the traditional 4 year or longer university education due to various reasons like financial constraints or time limitations. So, if you know, like in India, if you are a student, like if you pursue BTech, it's usually a traditional 4 year degree, right? So these programs, like the one degree, sorry, 1 year sitting degree, these programs they promise to award you that degree in significantly, shorter time frame. Now, obviously, like it's a good alternative for individuals who have like financial constraints or time limitations. But before getting too excited about the idea of obtaining a degree in 1 year, there are some essential considerations to keep in mind. The first one is accreditation. One of the most critical aspects of any educational program is its accreditation. It ensures that the program meets certain quality standards and that the degree you earn holds value in the job market. And many 1 year sitting degree programs lack proper accreditation. So it makes their degrees potentially, worthless to employers. And the and another point to consider is if they are legitimate, right? If they are genuine. And due to the rise in demand for faster education, there are many institutions they who have exploited the situation by offering quick degrees without providing a comprehensive education. So it's really important, it's really crucial to research the credibility and reputation of any institution offering such a program. Another consideration is the workload and the intensity of this workload. See, a 1 year degree program might compress the same amount of material covered in a traditional multi-year program into a much shorter time frame. So the syllabus you need to complete in 4 years, you have to complete it in 1 year, right? This can be incredibly intense and demanding, and it often makes it very challenging for students to absorb and retain the information effectively. Another consideration is the content quality because you have to absorb all the information in 1 year. Some of these programs might sacrifice content quality to meet the tight timeline, and as a result you may not gain the same level of knowledge and skills that you would from a more in-depth traditional education. But if you find the idea of 1 year sitting degree appealing, and you are still concerned about the potential downsides, there are alternative paths to consider. So let's talk about these paths. So the most appealing path is online education. Many reputable universities offer online degree programs which provide flexibility while maintaining academic quality and accreditation. Another factor, not factor, another alternative is part-time study. So if you have time constraints, you can consider pursuing a degree on a part-time basis, right? It might take longer, but it allows for a more balanced approach to learning and working, right? And another alternative is vocational training. So, depending on your career goals, vocational training and certification programs can offer a quicker route to, acquiring specific skills and qualifications. In conclusion, the concept of the 1 year sitting degree might seem tempting, but it comes with the risks and potential drawbacks. So, before enrolling in any such program, thoroughly research whether it is, genuine, whether it is legit, what is the accreditation status, and the value it holds in the job market. Remember, if you're investing in your education, it should be an investment in your future. And it is very important to make informed decisions to ensure that, this investment pays off in the long run. I hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helped you understand the nuances of 1 year sitting degree. As always, prioritize the quality and credibility of your education to build a strong foundation for your career. Thank you for watching. If you still have any questions, keep them coming. You can post them in the comments or you can send me an email. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.